You've touched my heart so deeply, and I can't thank God enough for all the beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. Every day is just so wonderful. Every day is just beautiful. When I spend it with you. You came along in an unexpected time. It was so divine, knowing you are mine. It feels so right when I look into your eyes. I never knew that love could make me feel this way. I can't wait for the day when I can say, yeah, I see beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. Touch my heart so deeply, and I can't thank God enough for beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. Every day is just so wonderful. Every day is just beautiful when I spend it with you. With you I'm I've done so many songs in different places with you there watching me, and I'm so thankful that after all these years I'm still singing this song to you. Just for you, just for you. I see beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. You touch my heart so deeply, and I can't